So in this Google Sheets tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the currency on Google Sheets. So for example, if I were to type in a bunch of dollars here, so let's just go 10, 5, 100, 1,000, 50, right? And if you wanted to make this a dollar, it's pretty straightforward. Highlight what you want to make a dollar right here. You can easily just go to this tab right here to where it says format as a currency, and it's just going to show up this way. Now, if you wanted to change the currency, once again, highlight the text right here. Go to where it says format, then go down to where it says number, and then I want you to scroll down to where it says custom currency, and then go ahead and select that. So once you're on this currency page right here, you can select what currency will be shown. So there's like dollars, US dollars, Japanese yen. There's a ton of different dollars here. So if you wanted to change this, for example, to, I don't know, what's a good example? We'll go maybe the euro. So you want to change this to euros, go ahead and press euro, then press apply, and now your currency is changed to euros. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change your currency on Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.